Di ba, sabi nga nyo, may possibility na mag-run dry. At alam natin yung ating inventaryo ng supply ngayon hanggang 30 days. Sagutin po nyo ako, yung sinabi nyo dumating kagabi, nakasama na yan sa inventaryo na gagamitin ng industriya ng 30 days. Eh hindi nga, hindi solusyon. Parang hindi tayo nakakaintindihan dito eh.
Director, with all due respect, I was telling si Senator Lauren, ganitong crisis, dapat minister to minister na yan eh. Hindi na kayo dadaan pa sa embassy dito, DFA dito, DFA sa kanila. By the time maabot tayo, wala na, tapos na yung 60 days. Kung ako sa inyo, minister to minister na yan. In fact, head of state to head of state na dapat at this time eh.
Minister, the letter
If we
was...
go through the protocols, alam ko gagawin, kakausapin DFA, kakausapin yung DFA nila, di ba? DFA nyo,
Yes, but...
Tama si Chair, emergency ngayon, krisis. At saka yung embassy, ang dami nilang inaasikaso rin, mga bumabalik, repatriate ng mga Pilipino. Ang daming concerns at limitado din ang tao nila. Tama siya, minister to minister. Hindi dadaan sa yung protocol in normal times. Kaya hindi ko po sinasabi, hindi pa namin sinasabing mali po kayo. Salamat po. Pero maliban dyan, dapat department to department. Ay, naku. Hindi nyo kasalanan. Kasi yun yung level na ginawa nyo. We appreciate that. But sir, I support the chair in his statement. These are not normal times. 30 days. Galing sa inyo yung statement. We will run dry soon. Oh. Through DFA? Eh, ang dami nilang ginagawa. Makonsulado at embahada? Paano ba naman yun?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, PNOC has updates on the details on where they are as far as Brunei and Malaysia is
Ayan,
concerned.
sige. May konting good news sana ang PNOC attorney.
Actually, the first shipment of PNOC EC amounting to 142,000 barrels arrived last night. And there are another 2 batches of 300,000 barrels each that is being negotiated firmly already. Our negotiation with Brunei, unfortunately, Mr. Chair, is we were referred to the private companies that operating their oil fields, Mr. Chair. And as far as Malaysia is concerned, they already not inclined to export to the Philippines, Mr. Chair.
Yung sabi nyong dumating o parating, ilan po yun?
140,000 barrels.
Pero, 140,000 barrels.
Diesel, yes.
Kailan po yon?
According to last night.
Last night. Thank you for that. Naka-input na po yan sa ating 30 days na reserve eh. Ang tinatanong ko po, ano yung negotiations natin pagkatapos ng 30 at 45 days? Kasi ganyan ang ating planning, kumbaga wargaming. Di ba, sabi nga nyo, may possibility na mag-run dry. At alam natin yung ating inventaryo ng supply ngayon hanggang 30 days. Sagutin po nyo ako, yung sinabi nyo dumating kagabi, nakasama na yan sa inventaryo na gagamitin ng industriya ng 30 days. Eh hindi nga, hindi solusyon. Parang hindi tayo nakakaintindihan dito eh. Kasi ang tinatanong ko po, yung ating negotiation at firm contracts at commitments ng timeline at volume para po after the 30 o hanggang 40 days, dahil sabi nyo 1.5 months na lang, ano po, kung wala, di wala, para alam natin how to brace ourselves. Huwag nyo sasabihin yung meron na, nasa 30 days.